Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. NPM and Yarn are node package managers to manage project dependencies. I have some of my favorite script commands that I use with almost every project. I create custom commands in scripts area to access useful functions quickly. This increases productivity and saves time. For NPM, these are my commands. I can run these commands by using npm run and then command name. For example, if I want to remove node modules folder, I can use this command npm run and then this command name, and this will remove node modules folder. And to install modules, I use this command install modules, and then inside it I have got npm I. If I want to check for security issues and I want to quickly fix those issues, I will use this command, and that has got npm audit fix inside it, and then npm update to update modules, npm prune to remove unused dependencies, and then to clean cache I use this command and I access it by npm run clean cache. And to check outdated dependencies I use this npm run check outdated. And to list global modules I use this command list global modules npm run list global modules, and this will list the global modules for me. So instead of writing all this and remembering this or this, I can access this command by using this name. So this is for npm, and for yarn I use these commands. Same remove node modules and install modules yarn install, and audit yarn audit, update packages yarn upgrade, prune yarn auto clean, and then to clean the cache yarn cache clean, and to check outdated dependencies yarn outdated, and to list global modules yarn global list. You can also create such custom commands to increase productivity. If you use custom commands that are useful and if you would like to share with us, then let us know in comments. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.